Silicones are to be found in very, very many parts of the car, especially around the engine. The closer you get to the hot engine, the more you will see silicone rubber being used instead of traditional organic rubber materials.
What makes silicon so special is that they always retain their properties, even under extreme conditions, like when the temperature fluctuates between, say, -40 and 200 degrees Celsius, or when powerful vibrations or UV radiation come into play.
They are also used very commonly in electrical insulation, such as in plug units or cable connectors. And don't forget that silicones also play a huge role in sensor applications, not only as part of plug units, but also in the encapsulants used there. You'll also, of course, find silicones in areas where vibrations occur. That could be the steering wheel, exhaust pipe suspensions, engine mount suspensions, and other areas.
The car of the future will be networked, autonomous, and digital. And I see vast opportunities for applying our RTV2 silicone rubber grades here.
This is an extremely agile, dynamic field, one where Wacker naturally wants to be in a strong position. Just take a look at the state of mobility today. It's clearly undergoing an upheaval. It starts with the drive technology, where electromobility is now becoming established as a rival to traditional combustion engines.
We're putting an enormous amount of effort into gap fillers for dissipating battery heat in electric vehicles. We're also developing new thermally conductive encapsulants for impregnating and casting electric motors. Plus, we're working on vehicle digitalization too. That requires more and more displays, and silicons are used in display adhesives.
The challenge we face goes beyond developing new materials. We also have to make sure that these new materials perform like they're supposed to, not just in the final application, but during processing as well. That's why we have injection molding machines here that can produce components of comparable size and design, in order to ensure that the latest development will work perfectly. Again, not just in the final application, but also during processing.
At Wacker, we really do have more than just our applications labs. We also conduct basic research, and we have our central R&D. And by using the synergies between these research units, we see to it that we develop new, innovative products for the automotive industry.
The industry is very, very big, but if we are to operate in it, we have to address how dynamic and agile it has become. That is challenging, and we're working on that problem in a huge variety of ways. But ultimately, it is a stroke of luck for me that we are working in such a very, very exciting future-oriented industry.
It's becoming extremely clear, in other words, that the automotive industry can't function without silicones anymore.